Hi everyone. So today I would like to talk about audit because I'm often asked to audit how this application has been built. I did hire a developer. He built that stuff for me. I don't know how it works. I don't know if it's good or not, etc. But the real question I have in return is, what's the point? What's the goal of doing an audit? Let me tell you why. What are the questions you should ask yourself? First off, it's what's your goal? Where do you want to get with the current product you have right now? Where do you want to get? Because when we are a startup, the main goal of a startup is to generate a business, right? Is to generate some cash flow with the minimum effort, I would say. And more specifically on the very early stage, we need to prove that we have a market with the smallest investment as possible. So in that case, that being said, maybe something that use, I would say, quite bad technology, but technology that are not scalable, that maybe you cannot really customize as you want, and maybe that you will not be able to keep over years. Maybe that could be a good thing, because it might be a technology that might be very cheap, and you will be able to prove your market with that technology. So in that case, maybe a bad technology could be a good thing. On the opposite, maybe if you did invest a lot in your project, you hired very skilled engineers, they built a very scalable architecture, maybe in a very strong language like Java as example, etc. In that case, yeah, maybe that could be a very good technology, but that might be bad for you, because this type of huge technology can be very expensive to maintain, maybe expensive to increase, to improve. And if you want to add a feature, maybe it's going to cost you a lot more than with a very basic technology or open source things, or maybe a SaaS platform just to get started. So in that case, the good technology might be bad for your business. So that's why when you consider auditing what you already have, define first what's your goal. What do you want to achieve with the current product you have? Where do you want to get? And then the person that is going to audit your technology, if you provide that, will be able to provide you the gap between where you stand as of today and where you want to get, maybe in a month, in a year, etc. Really important to have that. And based on that gap, maybe your expert is going to tell you if you can keep growing things over what you already have, if you need to replace some components, or if you need to restart from scratch. And in some cases, it can be a good thing, because restarting from scratch can allow you to really build the architecture that really fits to the stage of your business, considering the later stage. So basically, if you proved your market on the very early stage, maybe rebuilding something from scratch with the perfect technology can be a very, very good thing for you. So consider that, think about your vision, think about where you want to achieve. And of course, if you need some help, or if you need at some point someone to audit, that's what we do also at MyCTO Friend. We not only help a non-technical business founder to build their company, to define what technology, etc., but we also help them to evaluate what they have so far and how they can build the future upon what they built so far. So I hope it helps. Wishing you a great day, and I look forward to share a bit more with you in the upcoming episodes. Bye for now.